A pole erection machine is a type of heavy-duty equipment used to lift, position, and install utility poles for electrical power lines, telecommunications, or street lighting. These machines make erecting poles more efficient, safer, and easier than manual methods. Key features of a pole erection machine. 1. Lifting mechanism. The machine typically has a hydraulic lift or crane to raise heavy poles, often weighing several tons, into their vertical position. 2. Pole handling. The machine may be equipped with clamps, hooks, or other devices to securely grip and stabilize the pole during the lifting and placement process. 3. Rotation and positioning. The machine often has the ability to rotate and tilt the pole, allowing precise alignment and positioning at the installation site. 4. Transportability. Pole erection machines are often mounted on trucks or trailers, making them mobile and able to reach various installation locations. 5. Safety features. These machines are designed with safety systems to prevent accidents, such as ensuring the pole is securely held while being lifted and installed. Tractor-mounted cranes. These cranes are mounted on tractors for lifting and positioning utility poles. Application: installing electrical utility poles, setting up telecommunications poles, erecting streetlight poles, planting flagpoles or signage poles. Pole erection machines play a critical role in utility infrastructure and construction projects, ensuring that poles are installed efficiently and securely.